I've been volunteering for 2.5 years approximately. I'm retired and I don't want to go back to work. And I feel like I want to do something, and this is an opportunity to help people who need assistance, and it's just a small way that I can, small thing I can do. What we do here, I and some others, I mean, they do have assignments for different volunteers. We receive a chit, if you call it that, a piece of paper that tells the name of the person, how many people's in that family. And so we basically just go around like in a grocery store and push a buggy, and we bag it up, what they're supposed to get, and then push it back out and call their name, and then they take it, and we wish them a good weekend, and since we're on Friday, you know. Well, it makes me feel that I'm contributing to something. It gives me a purpose, you know. Just not to do anything all day. It seems there's no purpose. You know, you're just wasting time, you know. I mean, I am a Christian, if we can still say that, and I feel like it plays a big role, and I'm glad that there is an organization like this to help people, you know, because when you lose your job and you have no family, I mean, it has to be frightening when you have nothing to eat, you know.